Finally, we have a solution that can get into those hard-to-reach places. You should have equipment you can rely on. Introducing the F-Series CMC tracked aerial lifts from All Access Equipment. Built specifically for rental and building maintenance, the F-Series are compact and simple to use, so your customers won't waste any time or energy getting jobs done. And the F-Series sets up in nearly impossible work sites where other lifts are not capable of working, making it easy for your customers to reach new heights above the competition. Built by CMC, the industry leader in tracked aerial lifts, the F-Series are robust. Each model is available with multiple power options, including combustion engines, battery, 120-volt electric motors, as well as hybrid power options. The F-Series is lightweight and easy to transport with a pickup truck or van. And its lightweight body travels with low ground pressure, so you won't have to worry about damaging delicate flooring. It also features adjustable tracks and automatic leveling. The F-Series are the safest, most versatile, and most reliable lifts in their class. And we all know standing out is just as fun as lifting up. And when it comes time to service your lifts, All Access Equipment has the largest tracked aerial lift dealer and service network in the United States. Don't let your customers come up short. Work more efficiently and get a better return on investment with the CMC F-Series. Order your F-Series lifts today.